Hi guys, another lock picking video for you, but this is my last day in Benidorm, Spain. As you can see, it's a rainy day in Spain. Still very warm though. Sea is quite wild today. Try to pick a padlock from the shop, Spanish one, but all they sold is rubbish, and I found this padlock which I thought was Spanish, and so I looked properly at it and it says made in China. It's a 60mm Kando. I tried to get the best bitting out of the lot of it though. I'll show you the bitting. This looks like a 4-pin padlock. Don't feel there is any security pins in this at all. No spools, no serrated. It's just such an easy pick. Lots of movement there in the core. Sloppy Chinese. So let's give it a go picking it for you. I'm going to be using the Peterson short hook. Light tension, pull it out so I can just stop, and 3, click and slow 10, and 4, pins are just jumping about in this, and 2, there you go. Open. Really cheap lock, Chinese. Just see if you can jiggle it open. I don't know the correct where it is for this. There we go. Open. Cheers guys.